Rayleigh's Small Engines. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Got an old yard machine come in. I got the hood laying over there so I can jack it up. Customer was saying, I've got a pulley locked up on my deck. So, I go to looking at the pulleys and I said, let's jack it up and look up underneath. Well, we go to look up underneath. Wonder if that's got anything to do with it. What do you guys think? Great goodness. Somebody needs to do some grass removal, I think. We're going to get under and check this guy's pulleys and stuff, though, but I do believe that may have a little something to do with it. Haven't seen one that bad in a long time. Listen, you guys click that subscribe button. I appreciate you watching these short little videos, and leave us a comment down there. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and click that subscribe button. Maybe you can see some more of our good videos, or I think they're good, but hope y'all do too. Have a great day, folks.